To school. It's Thursday and I'm gonna try to tape as I ride my bike. Okay, it's about 8 a.m. It's test day, so I don't have to be there as early. I'm probably gonna get there like 10 minutes later. I don't know what these flowers are called, but they just bloomed and they're really pretty. But I have no idea what they're called. My school is up that hill where their car is going. This is the yard of my high school. So this is where I walk in every morning. And this is where I park my bike, behind these two. Difference between here and America, my bike would have been gone on the first day. I've parked here the whole year. And this is just where I leave it. Cafeteria. And you will see how that looks at lunch. Hi!
Video.
오랜만에.
이런 거 새로 나온 거 아니야?
네, 먹었어요. 이거 맛있던데.
이거 다시 나중에. 이거만 차려.
저 이거요. 이거랑 이거 싼 거. 다른 것 중에 또 커피 마실래요?
레시피?
네.
너 그거 먹고 자면 대박이다 이제.
Say hi. This is the hallway. I'm telling you, come lunchtime, it's going to sound like a buffalo herd. They run and push each other to get to the lunch line. Here is the gym. The school is 3 or 4 floors, I can't remember. KSAT testing. So that's why it's extremely quiet in the hallway. You could hear a pin drop. The shoes go on the first floor. All the shoe cabinets. And the uniform display. So this is 3rd grade. This is 1st and 2nd. Winter, summer. This is the back of my school. Say hi. Say hi. Crossing the street illegally.
어서 오십시오. 시각 장애인이시면 휴대하고 계신 이어폰을 이어폰 꽂이에 꽂고 안내 음성에 따라 원하시는 거래.
Just like that, it started raining. There's like constant thunder. The thunder doesn't stop at all. Times like this, I get really thankful. Oh, that's hail. Welcome to the classroom. It is raining outside, right? I know you can hear it. These two guys were outside eating dinner and it started raining. And it is like rain, it's like El Nino raining. I know you can hear that. Here, see? It's like El Nino raining. And these men have put up 3 umbrellas to cover themselves in this monsoon. And he's smoking a cigarette. They eat snacks, drinking beer. They are not phased. This is Korea. And it's cold now. It was hot before, but it is cold.